Imagine sinking your teeth into the juiciest chicken tikka shawarma ever. Smoky, tender spiced chicken, fresh, crunchy veggies, and creamy sauces in every bite.
And trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to any shawarma restaurant again.
Let's make it right now. We're starting with 1 kilogram of boneless chicken. Cut it into even cube-sized pieces so they cook perfectly and soak up all that amazing flavor. Now for the killer marinade. Add these straight in. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon crushed white cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoons crushed coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon chicken tikka masala, 4 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 cup yogurt, juice of 1 whole medium lemon.
Mix it all up really well until every single piece of chicken is completely coated. You want that marinade clinging to the chicken, like it's never letting go.
Cover the bowl and let it marinate in the fridge for a full 12 hours. This long marination is what makes the chicken ridiculously tender and bursting with taste. No rushing this step.
While the chicken chills, let's whip up a quick garlic mayonnaise sauce that takes this shawarma to another level.
In a blender, add 3 eggs, squeeze in juice from half a lemon, make sure no seeds sneak in, and toss in 2 whole garlic cloves. And funny story, I actually forgot to film adding these cloves. My iPhone glitched and the clip got deleted. Or maybe my kid accidentally did it. I don't know. Start blending, then slowly drizzle in 2 cups of vegetable oil until you get this thick, silky, creamy mayonnaise. And that's it. Garlic mayonnaise is ready.
And believe me, it looks ridiculously good and tastes amazing.
After chicken is marinated, it's time to build the skewers. Slide on a piece of marinated chicken, followed by diced capsicum, another chicken piece, a cube of tomato, more chicken, a cube of onion, and finish with 1 last chicken piece. Repeat until you have 7 to 8 loaded skewers. Lay them all neatly on a baking tray.
You can grill these over coal for that smoky barbecue magic, but today we are using the OTG oven for super easy, consistent results.
Preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Preheating settings are mentioned on your screen. Once it's hot, place the tray in the middle rack.
Brush the skewers generously with melted butter. This gives them that gorgeous shine and extra juiciness. Bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius with both upper and lower grills on, but convection fan off, for 15 minutes.
Just look at these golden beauties. Perfectly charred edges, juicy inside, and the aroma filling the kitchen is straight up mouth-watering. Our chicken tikka is ready! Now, lightly toast the shawarma bread. Heat a little butter or oil on a pan or tava and warm the bread on both sides until it's soft, warm, and just a touch crispy. Takes seconds.
Everything is ready. Now assemble the shawarma. Brush the toasted bread generously with chili garlic vinegar sauce. Slide the chicken and veggies off 2 skewers right onto the bread. Pile on shredded cabbage, shredded cucumber, and sliced tomatoes. Then load it up with that creamy garlic mayonnaise we made.
Wrap it tight. Roll it properly so everything stays inside, because if it's not tight, It's not right. There it is. Your homemade chicken tikka shawarma is ready to devour.
This thing looks and smells absolutely incredible. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. If you loved this recipe, you've got to try my easy homemade pizza and that super simple 4-ingredient charsi karahi too. Both are total winners. Links in the description.